Checking your reflection is what really turns you on. And you're loving every minute, thinking everyone has gone. You just roll your eyes and you fantasize, think you're number one. So in love with yourself, how could you love somebody else? So in love with yourself, how could you love somebody else? Always out at every party, so the thing don't show. Talking too much, laughing too loud, so that everybody knows the joke's on you when you're such a fool. That's the way it goes. So in love with yourself, how could you love somebody else? So in love with yourself, how could you love somebody else? So in love with Checking your reflection is what really turns you on. And you're loving every minute, thinking everyone has gone. You just roll your eyes and you fantasize, think you're number one.